What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got us a good old-fashioned Hot Wheels haul. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Let's see, we got 2 main lines and we have 5 premiums to crack open. So let's do the main lines first. They're pretty awesome. A Dodge Challenger drift car and a Koenigsegg Gemera. Koenigsegg, that's a hard word to say, Koenigsegg. However, Dodge and Challenger are very easy to say. Formula Drift right there. We've got some cool black and red rims. 426 crate motor made by Mopar. Formula Drift logo on the hood. Very cool. Got a big metal wing, but no headlights or taillights on this one. Got a black plastic base and a red interior. Not bad. Overall, a decent little casting. I think I like this one a bit more. It is new for 2022, so it's kind of like its rookie card. At least that's how I kind of look at those. Alright, here we go. We have set it free, and now we're looking at it, which is very nice. Headlights look great. The Koenigsegg logo looks good. I like their Ghost logo the best. Oh, there it is. That Ghost logo is so cool. My favorite logo in all the automotive industry. Good taillights as well. Got a little diffuser and some mesh. This time we got the black tin spokes and a black plastic base to match. Very cool car. Koenigsegg's very, very fast. Very, very exotic and cool looking. All right, let's see. Now let's go ahead and crack open those premiums I mentioned. Let's see. No, well, you know, might as well do another Koenigsegg. This time we got us an Agera R. Beastly looking vehicle. Very cool looking car. And it is from the Exotic Envy set. So there you go. There's that. All right. And here is our exotic car, which I'm very envious of. I wish I had one. Very cool. Big, humongous black 5 spokes. Not the 5 SPs, but you know, the premium 5 spokes. I love those wheels. They're great. Really nice looking clean paint job. Headlights look fantastic. Got side view mirrors on this one. This wing is plastic, however. Nice taillights. Usually metal on metal. Yeah, it says metal on metal, I think. Yeah, it says metal on metal, but it's really thin metal. But anyway, it's really nice. I'm sure it rolls beautifully. Oh my god, that rolls insanely fast. That is a quick one. Love that. Very nice. All right, next one up. We got us McLaren Speedtail, also from the Exotic Envy. Very, very beautiful, fast car. Free the way it's supposed to be. More 10 spokes, more rubber wheels, slicks of course. Wow, that is one aggressive front end. Little slits for headlights, blacked out windows, little slits for taillights. Wow, super aggressive. And of course metal on metal, rubber tires. Beautiful, beautiful. And it rolls fantastic as well. But honestly, not as well as this one. I mean, that thing just mobs. It's crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Very, very fast, very cool cars. All right, next one up, we got us a 69 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. I think I have one of these in red. Really interesting car, old school. Came out way before I was born. Alright, come on out, little buddy. Got a little extra plastic in there. All right, there we go. Now that is great looking. I love those wheels. I don't see those very often. It's like a legit mesh wheel. I call that a C2 style, because back in the day, I used to be a big fan of racing Hot Wheels. I had C5s on my Civic, but I always liked C2s as well. My girlfriend at the time had knockoff C2s on her Accord, and they looked just like this, except silver, or aluminum. Anyway, again, metal on metal. Ooh, we got painted metal this time. Beautiful. Rubber tires, they are slicks, no tread. And lots of clear windows so we can see the interior and the engine. Absolutely marvelous casting. Lens to headlights. And wow, I could not be happier with this casting. That's great. Of course they roll good, it's just fun to do. Alright, and this is the last I have of the Exotic Envy set. I don't have the Asenza. That was not on the peg. All these I found on the peg. If that was there, I would have bought everyone they had. I love that car in real life, and the casting is amazing. So in the future, I must have, I have to just order that online, I guess. I'll just have to pay the scalper price. But we do have this Bugatti for now. Very nice car, very cool. Not as cool as the Asenza, but still a really, really cool car. And it's nice to have a premium version. Ooh, the wing is metal. Nice hefty casting. They chose some pretty good wheels to go with it. Nice detailed lensed headlights. Bugatti emblem looks really nice. Details on the front look good. The back end is just amazing. Excellent. Yeah, they did a really good job with this one. Again, the windows are really clear, so you can get a sense of what's going on the inside there. Nice. Quick little car. Very cool. Now, like I mentioned, I was not able to get the Asenza, but I was able to find a replacement car, my favorite car of all time, a Countach. Finally, in premium form. It's from Jay Leno's garage. And I've been wanting a premium Countach for the longest time. I pre-ordered that RLC one, the blue one, but it won't be here till next year. And yeah, this thing is amazing. My one complaint is that it doesn't have a wing like the old school casting does. I wish it had the wing. They probably do it as a cost-saving measure, I'm sure. But that's very nice. I was looking at the back of the car too. I was gonna buy the whole set just for the Countach, but honestly, when I found one seller online was selling just the, just the Lamborghini, I was like, nah, screw it. I don't know about the other ones. The McLaren is obviously really nice. I mean, they're all pretty cool, but spending $60 for a premium set just for one car, it doesn't seem like it makes a lot of sense. I'm gonna double up on this one. I'll tell you that right now. I'm going to buy another one of these to keep in the package, because you guys know me, Countach is my favorite car of all time. And here it is, my first look at the Jay Leno Premium Countach. Wow, absolutely bonkers. That's one thing about the Countach casting too, they never really get the wheels right. I mean, you really can't put custom wheels on a Countach without dramatically changing the tires, because the tires that come on the rear are super wide, and I think only one manufacturer in the world actually even makes them. So most people that have Countach just keep the factory wheels, which, they have like the circular cutouts. But anyway, other than that, very realistic. In fact, super realistic. Wow. Yeah, they did a really good job with this casting. It'll buff out. Yeah, even the tan interior. Yeah, even a little cutout right there. Yeah. Yeah, this is fantastic. I am stoked for this. Awesome. Hell yeah. It just It's just perfect. That is just the most amazing Hot Wheels. Love that one. So freaking cool. I'm so happy to have that in my collection. So just real quick, we'll take a look at the new casting versus the old casting. There's really no comparison. The new one has a lot more detail. But that's not to say I don't like the old casting. In fact, I love the old casting. It is so cool, so nostalgic. I love the old school Hot Wheels Countach. And again, I wish the new one had the wing, but can't always get what you want. Well, alright you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me. What's today? Tuesday already? Jeez, man, the week is already flying by. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post videos once or twice a week, more or less. And if collecting die-cast cars is your thing, please subscribe, and don't forget to like the video, and I'll catch you dudes next time.